How to stay active this winter? It's cold outside. With this, the winter weather can sometimes make workouts seem less than desirable. Even heating up the car in the wee hours of the morning to get to the gym for your favorite spinning class can be quite tough. We have some solutions for you. How to defreeze. Although you may want to stay snuggled up in your warm bed, winter shouldn't be a time when your fitness plans go into hibernation, especially with all of those holiday treats lying around. The right attitude at the right time. With the right attitude and mix of exercises, winter can actually be a fantastic time to mix up one's workouts, get creative, and even reignite one's love of fitness by trying new and fun activities. How to make the most of winter workouts. It's all in your mind. Winter isn't just about the cold weather, it's about a whole new season. Embrace the time of year by sitting down and revisiting your goals and plan what you'd like to accomplish during the next few months. Play in the winters. Go out and play. If you can't seem to muster the energy to work out this time of year, try playing instead. You can burn quite a few calories by playing indoors or out. Fix the lazy mood. The best part about playing is that it doesn't feel like a workout, though you can still get your heart rate up and have an excellent cardio session. Winter sports. Take up a winter sport. If you are a competitive type, why not try a new winter sport? From skiing to snowshoeing, there are many great options that burn mega calories and give a whole new twist to your cold weather workout. Home is where the workout is. Get creative at home. Sure, getting to the gym can be more of a hassle when it is cold outside. But never use snowy weather as an excuse to miss your daily exercise. Instead, work out at home where it's cozy and warm. Imitate experts. Whether you pop in a new workout DVD or invest in a few pieces of fitness equipment or even just use your body weight for a killer workout, exercising at home can be a convenient and fun solution to staying on track. Germ-free environs. And the best part about working out from your own home, you don't have to worry about sharing a TV with fellow gym goers or possibly catching an illness at the gym. Sign up for something new. Try something new. There's nothing like signing up for a new class or joining an indoor sports league to get you up and moving during the cold months. Inspire yourself. By trying something new, you reignite your motivation for fitness, cold weather and all. Whether it's indoor volleyball, a boot camp class or even tennis lessons, participating in a regular activity is a fantastic way to stay active during the winter time. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.